What's up, guys? It's Inner Beauty, back with another video with lots of love. And today I'm just gonna be showing you the joys of the outdoors, because some of you don't really get out much. No offense, but yeah, this is gonna be real fun. So my first activity with you will be climbing the tree. That's my spot, right up there. That's mine. I'll see you guys when I get up there. Hopefully I don't drop you. Look who made it. It's really far down. Here's the top of the tree. It's really cold out here. There's my neighbor. It's fairly beautiful up here. I like to come up here and just watch the sunrise. If we come up here just a little smidge more, I have built a birdhouse up there. Well, I will be in my next video. On to the second video. And guys, if you haven't already, you should totally subscribe to my channel. It's Inner Beauty. And if that doesn't pop up, just search up Inner Beauty Lego Life. That should do it. Look for a cat in black and white with the cutest top hat. So, the next topic that I have for you is taking some weed and at least braiding it, or like make something cool. Like, this is one of the things that me and my best friend Summer made. We just used a random basket, and there's a bell, and there's a little fairy in there with her house, birdhouse, tiny, and some beautiful flowers right there. So, next, I like to sit down on the grass and find the biggest ones that I can get. So, like right here, or right here, and then I find one exactly like this, and then I just start weaving them or tying knots millions and millions of times. Yeet. Hello? So, admire the glory of nature. Doesn't that look beautiful? There's one over there too.